Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. In order to buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to install or have an account on Zengo. And if you already have an account, then you need to go ahead and log in. As you're logged in, press the trade icon located right at the bottom. Next, you'll be taken to this page where you have to go ahead and select either you want to deposit crypto, receive, or you want to buy or sell. Just go ahead and press the sell button, then go ahead and press the buy button. As you press the buy button, you'll be taken to this field where you need to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to buy. And on the other field, you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount. And on the other field, you need to enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to receive. Enter in the payment source, all of that, confirm the transaction by reviewing all of the information that it provided. And within no time, you'll receive an information stating that you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. So that is how you can buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.